Where is the added value of maintenance? In theory, the challenge for maintenance managers is to reduce related costs while maintaining or improving reliability. Depending on priorities, this does not always maximize value. In the oil and gas industry, the SHE factor is critical. In highly competitive industries such as consumer electronics, cost control takes center stage. Value can also depend on time. For example, during the recent downturn, the auto industry switched focus to cost control as demand crashed. This meant less preventive reactive maintenance and leaving systems down for longer periods, until repairs could be completed economically. As orders picked up, the focus switched from cost control to asset utilization. With value-driven maintenance, maintenance managers should focus on the value driver that delivers the biggest return for their organization. A good CMMS will complement value-driven maintenance. Once optimal preventive maintenance actions are decided with VDM analysis, the CMMS can be configured to automatically trigger the work orders at that optimal time.